What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back with another video, and today I am officially unboxing my Dior sneakers, man. They finally came in, and I did a poll recently asking guys, what do you think I just got from Nike, man? And a lot of people was guessing sort of right, but nobody was spot on with the guess, man. So we're gonna get right into it. But before we do, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to your boy, ring notification bell so you never miss another video that drops. Any live stream, any early unboxing, anything that drops, you will get notified. So make sure that bell is on, and also smash that like button. The goal for every video is to surpass 300 likes, and you guys have been killing it, man. I really do appreciate it, Vintage Squad, man. And also head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It's been linked down below in the description box, man. So let's get right into this Dior unboxing, man. Let's get it. Quick disclaimer, man, this is not the Air Jordan 1 Dior's, man. This is a Nike by you. I know everybody's been trying to hop onto it. They've been doing a couple of restocks as far as letting you go on to Nike by you and customize your own Air Force One with whatever you want to do with it. But the one that's been hot the most is the Dior custom vibe, and we're gonna get right into these things. I know y'all like, bro, I thought you had the Dior ones. A lot of people was commenting under the post where I said I give you guys $100 if you guess exactly what sneaker this is, man. And nobody did it, but a lot of people was close saying Dior's. But this is not the Dior Jordan 1, man. This is a Nike Air Force One by you Dior sneaker, man. So let's get right into it. These things came all the way from Hong Kong, I believe. This is my second Nike by you, but I feel like this was by far my favorite one. So let's get into this thing. Check out the box it comes in, all white box. I know it's kind of bright right now, but you guys are gonna see the whole sneaker in just a second. Nike by you, check it out right here. Boom, boom, Nike by you. Got your Nike swoosh down here at the bottom, and then on the back you got a whole bunch of Nike branding and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get these sneakers out of the box real quick, because I've been waiting to get these for a little minute. I think it took about 3 weeks to get here to make and all that good stuff. So let's get right into it, man. These things is looking clean, bro. Let me go ahead and show y'all these real quick, man. Bam, check it out. Air Force One Dior Nike by you. Bro, these things are super crispy, super clean, and I gotta give you guys some B-roll, and especially give you guys some on feet over these joints right here, man. Let me pull the other one out of the box as well, so we can get this box out of the way. Right now in the comment section, I need you guys to rate this Dior Air Force One Nike by you. I think this is very clean. I like how it came out. And like I said, each one has its own little special touch, I guess you could say, because this is customized to your style, your taste, and stuff like that. I made a couple of changes from the original Dior's that a lot of people had. I know my boy Keep Pushing Kicks has a pair, but he doesn't have any of this Python upper. And you guys know me, I like the exotic styles, the exotic, materials and stuff like that on the sneakers. That's why I really love the Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 1.0 and the 2.0. I don't want you guys to think I'm a hype beast because I got this Dior Air Force One, because I have a couple other Air Force Ones in my collection as well, which we're about to get right into. So check these out. This is the Los Premios Air Force One that came out back in 2016, I believe. This came out like right before I started doing sneaker YouTube. But this would have been a dope unboxing to show you guys, you know what I'm saying, my love for the Air Force One model. These are very clean, and like I said, I love the different materials and stuff like that. When Nike go ahead and throw it onto a sneaker, man, it just makes me more inclined to cop it. I really love the design on the back of these joints, very clean. The whole boxing and presentation for these Los Premios Air Force Ones was very crazy. It came with like a tote bag, and it came with like a dope box, a dope pull-out box. It was very clean, man. So I had to cop these joints, and they only retail for $110, man, which is crazy. You get a book bag, you get some dope packaging for a very, very good price, man. So let's get into the next Air Force One I got in the collection. Bam, check it out. We have the Yeezy inspired Air Force One, and I had these things since I was in high school. It has like cobwebs on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have not rocked these things in a minute. Check out the bottom. I did get a couple of words out of them. You can check out the insole as well. You don't get that Nike Air in there no more, or the size tag that you usually get on the insole of the sneaker, man. Like I said, I beat these things up, and I've had these since I was like a senior in high school, man. These are very clean. The toe box is wrinkled up and stuff like that. It's very, very dusty. You can just tell these things are very worn and very, very old, man, but these will always be in a collection. And something I didn't notice with these, it has like a checkerboard Nike Air plate on the back. I don't know what it is. And it also has it on the Nike swoosh as well, man. I did not notice that until just now. And I had these things for 5-6 years already. So yeah, guys, I love Air Force One, so it's a no-brainer for me to cop these Dior Air Force One Customs Nike by You style, man. Very, very clean. I'm glad I got these things. And on the inside right here, it's all leather, which is pretty dope. And also has that snakeskin Nike Air tab on the tongue as well, man. Just a very dope shoe. I love how they constructed the sneaker. Like I said, it took 3 weeks to make. It took 3 weeks to get to the crib. And I'm very happy with what I have, man. Another Air Force One in the collection. I want you guys, like I said, to let me know what all Air Force Ones you have. I know they are not that hot anymore. A lot of people always go cop the all white joints, but for me, I like getting the crazy stuff, the exotic stuff. And I also have another pair of Air Force Ones coming in from StockX. You guys stay tuned for that unboxing, man. But like I said, you let me know if you have any Nike by You Air Force Ones down below in the comment section. And let me know if you are feeling these Dior Air Force One Customs, man. I'm going to give you guys some crazy B-roll for these Air Force One Dior Customs. And to end the video off, I'm going to give you guys a dope on feet. So I hope you guys really enjoy. That is it for the video. Thank you for pulling up to this Dior unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video or anything that happens on the channel. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. Click the link and it'll take you straight over to IG and hit that follow button for your boy. I appreciate all the love and support, man. I truly do. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this clean on feet portion over these Nike Dior Air Force One Customs, man. Let's get it.